What is going on, guys? This is Joaquin Corrales. Welcome back to the channel. And guys, I'm super excited about this video because just now, literally 5 minutes ago, I released a free course for you guys. Now, what this course is about, it's a Facebook ads agency mini course. And in this course, you're gonna have everything that you need to be able to go out there, even if you have no prior experience whatsoever, and learn how to get your first digital ads agency, your own Facebook advertisement agency client. Okay, you're gonna learn how to do the Facebook advertising for this client. You're gonna learn how to do the email marketing, and you're gonna learn exactly everything that you need to do to go out there and get your first client literally in the first week of going through this training, okay? I put in here everything that I wish that I would have had when I first started making money online. If I would have started doing this, what I've put into this course, I would have been making much more money a lot faster. And so what this course is about, again, is about you guys going out there and creating a Facebook advertisement agency. And what that is that you're gonna go up to small businesses, right, who are willing to pay you anywhere from $500 to even $10,000 every single month for these services, okay? Even if you have no experience right now, okay? In this course, I'm gonna show you absolutely everything that you need to know, all right? I know that there's a lot of people watching this and they're like, I don't really know a lot about Facebook advertising, or maybe I just started learning about Facebook advertisement, and I don't think any business out there is going to offer me or is going to give me from $500 to $10,000 per month. And the bottom line is that what you guys have to keep in mind is that you only need to know a little bit more than the person that you're doing and providing these services for to be able to give them value. And if you give them value, then they're going to pay you for it. And the reason why there's so much opportunity in creating a Facebook ads agency right now is because of the way and the angle that we're coming at it in this free training, okay? So if you guys want to join this free training, the link is down below in the description. It's 100% free. I don't need anything from you. You're going to go in there, you're going to create your account, and it's going to take you into the members area, okay? In the members area, you're going to have access to the videos, the whole thing. It's going to be awesome. Now, guys, the reason why this is at its highest opportunity and potential right now is because if you guys are able to master the skills of doing Facebook advertisement, just like I put in this course, right? Which are very simple things, but if you can master those simple things, then you're gonna have control over other people's businesses. And how you're gonna have that control is because you're literally gonna have the power to bring them customers or to not bring them customers, okay? The only way that a business grows is if it has more customers. And because of that, the services that you guys are going to be offering these businesses of running their Facebook advertising and doing email marketing for them is helpful for them. They're only going to be making more money off of that. Like, there's no amount of money that they could pay you really that is going to make it so that it's not worth it. Because if they're paying you $1,000 a month, you're bringing them, it's super easy to bring a customer over $1,000 worth of value to their business for that amount of money in return. Like, it's super simple using these strategies. So when you guys get good at this, and I'm sure you will after you go through this training and you take action, you're gonna be able to charge customers whatever you want eventually. One, when you have the testimonials, and two, when you realize how much money you're bringing into a business, right? For example, let's say you get your first client within a week of going through this free course, right? And maybe at the beginning, you're not charging them much. Maybe you're charging them $200, $500 a month, which is not a lot, right? But it's a good start. And for a lot of you, that is exactly what you need right now. And you realize that by doing the advertisement and all of that, you're bringing this customer an extra $10,000 in a month, right? Which is not difficult at all. You're bringing them an extra $10,000. Do you think at that point in time that you have the leverage to be able to go to this customer and tell them, hey, I know that I'm charging you $200, but I'm gonna have to start charging you $1,000. I'm gonna have to start charging you $2,000, $3,000, $4,000. It still makes sense because you're bringing in $10,000 into his business. And when you have this type of leverage, then you write your own checks, right? You decide how much you get paid. So guys, the videos in this training are not in my YouTube channel. I made them uniquely for this training. So make sure you guys go down to the link in the description, join the free training. It's gonna be awesome. Also join our Contact Flow Facebook group. We have over 3,800 members or something like that right now. It's awesome. We're always engaging in there. If you guys have any specific questions, you could tag me there. And also post any questions that you may have on this video, and I'll go ahead and I'll help you guys out. I've been working in this course we're on this course for like the past 2 to 4 days. I've put work into it. I've edited the videos. It came out really good. It's somewhere around maybe 14 videos, something like that. It's going to be awesome. I'm going to walk you guys through everything that you need to know. And hopefully you guys are able to go out there and actually take action on the things that you learn, okay? Because there's a couple of videos in there where I talk about mindset and kind of the mindset that you guys need to have. So I'm not gonna kind of regurgitate it in this video right here, but I hope that you guys take action, okay? If you guys learn this, you go out there, you take action, you could easily make an extra $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 per month, because these services are not hard to sell, okay? Once you go through that training and you learn how you're gonna have to go up to a person and sell them that service and what it is that you're bringing to the table, it's not hard to get small businesses to give you money. But you guys are gonna see that in the training down below. Hit the link in the description. Make your account 100% free. I don't need a credit card. I don't need anything. You're just gonna enter in your email. You're gonna create a password, and it's gonna take you right into the members area. I hope that you guys really enjoy it, and I'll see you tomorrow on the next video.